Go from these dirty, grimy wheels to nice, clean, shiny wheels in a matter of minutes. Stay tuned, as this is the first of a series of videos where I coat the wheels, glass, and paint using detail coatings. Alright, to start prepping the tires for ceramic coating, I'm going to start off by cleaning the wheel really well. And to start off, or to clean them, I'm going to use the Detail Co Ragnarok wheel cleaner. It's the acid wheel cleaner. What I'm going to do is going to spray it on there quite liberally. And while that dwells a little bit, I'm going to start putting in some tire cleaner as well. I'm going to use the Armor Detail Supplies tire cleaner. I have it diluted 2-to-1 here. You can see that instant browning there. Alright, let's start agitating the wheels here. Now I'm just going to do a quick agitation with a mitt here to get out from behind all the dust and or all the loose dirt and debris that's in there, and then just to give it the faces a final wipe. Let's rinse that off. And this is what it looks like now inside the nice and clean. there's some of that sticker or the adhesive that they use for the weights on the balancing. But overall, nice job with the wheel acid. So now for a final step, I'm going to add iron remover. I'm going to let that dwell for a little bit. I don't see a lot of the spots there. I do see some that are dripping from the brake rotor, but other than that, not much on the face or on the wheel wells. Quick agitation. You can see that there is some in there, but nothing out here. For my iron remover, I did use the Age of Iron remover. Let me go do the rest of the other tires and we'll move on to the next step. Alright, so last night I polished the car glass and deep cleaned the tires and wheels. So now I'm just gonna add the coatings. I was trying to get a best angle, so I already tried it on a couple of other tires and wheels. So I've already primed the pad. So first thing I'm gonna do is do a quick wipe with rinseless. Just, there was a big storm last night. I'll make sure that we don't have any dust or residue on there. This rag is dampened in rinseless, so just doing just a quick cleanup to get anything I might have missed. Alright, in full disclosure, Eddie did send me this for me to try out. He never mentioned me having to do a video or provide any feedback, or so thank you, Eddie, but I wanted to do a video, and this is just on the application of the wheel coating. I'll follow up next time I'm down here visiting my mom on performance. So we're going to start off with a little bit of panel prep. And this will give us a nice final clean surface with picking up any residue that might have been left from the rinseless, and give us the best This will give us the best adhesion to the wheels. And since I've already primed the pad on the previous wheel, I'm just going to do about 5 to 7 drops. One thing I noticed was it is hard to see where you've applied it due to the light color of the rims. So we're going to start with this spoke about 1 o'clock. Actually, I'm going to go all the way around on the edge and then go down. Alright, now for the wipe off. It says 15 to 30 seconds, but this looks like it's already ready to go. I did see a little bit of beading, of sweating kind of effect. So, I'm just leveling here. Flip the towel over and give it one final wipe quick, just to make sure that nothing stays on there. Avoid any high spots. Doesn't take too long. Alright, I was checking to see if we could tell a little bit of slickness, but you could tell a little bit after the panel prep. It just seemed a little bit more grabby, but we got to give it some time to cure. So I'll come back hopefully within a month to do a follow-up wash on this. I'm going to be finishing the rest of the car with thick on the body, and then I got classy glassy for the windows. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please like, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.